What is going on, you future crypto billionaires? This is Brett with Be Extreme Crypto, and there's a few things I wanted to get with you about today. A lot of people are talking about the bull run's on. I don't think it's quite on yet. We still have some things going on in the markets. Our economy is really not looking that great. Might want to wait until the Fed pivots before we could actually say that, and that'll probably be a couple months after that. So it could be winter by the time that happens. But another thing that I want to talk to you about is it's important to get involved in these projects real early before any kind of bull run or anything, because that's when the growth starts on these projects. The difference between making a lot of money and just a little bit could be just a few pennies. For example, let's say one of these projects are at a penny right now, and next thing you know, it becomes 2 pennies. Let's say it goes to $1 in the future. Let's say by the end of the next bull run. Well, a penny to 2 pennies, you're looking at 50% difference, because a penny going to $1, you're looking at 100%. 2 pennies to $1, you're only looking at 50%. Now, I'm sure you get what I'm talking about here. Now, I like to find smaller projects just to invest a little bit in for possibly a big return. Now, when I say a little bit to me may be a lot to you, or a little bit to me may be nothing to you. So what I want to do is I want to point out this project that I found, I think it was about 2 months ago. It's called Dimitra. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only showing you what I got into and the reason why I got into it. Dimitra is a really interesting company because they're involved in AI and farming. Come over here to not CoinMarketCap, but CoinGecko.com. and look this thing up. It's got a $27 million market cap, so it's really small. I would consider calling it a micro cap. It's got a lot of room to grow. I could definitely see this thing hitting the 1 billion range during a bull run, but it's really starting to take off just over the last, well, let's look at the last 30 days. Look at this. Look at the growth in this thing. It's already starting to take off. So you might want to go over there and take a look at that and more information about the company and the project and what they got going on. Over here in CoinMarketCap, you can see their community, their Telegram, their Facebook, their Discord, Twitter. Let me see. And here's their website. We'll go over to that, let you see it. See, it's data-driven farming, and it's even has a video over here on the site. I'll let you check this out real quick.
The world has a problem. Millions of smallholder farmers barely produce enough to feed their families. Why? They lack modern solutions to monitor crops and livestock, the means to preserve and restore the land, and chemicals, deforestation, and climate change create new threats. Without help, small farms will struggle to survive. At Dimitra, our connected farmer platform delivers blockchain, machine learning, IoT, and satellite data to smallholder farmers worldwide, empowering each user with cutting-edge technology and services. We generate value across a new ecosystem, value in which we all share as farmers, Dimitra token holders, and members of a global community, where each user, regardless of economic status, has access to simple, beautiful, and life-changing technology to increase yield, reduce costs, and mitigate risk. Crop after crop, herd after herd, season after season, Dimitra improves the lives of farmers worldwide.
Okay, so you basically get the gist of it. Also, over here on the website, it has links to all the information on the company. There's also a place. Where was it? Oh, you could stake the token, and I believe if I'm recalling correctly, you're looking at 13% APY, which is pretty good. A lot better than what any bank's going to pay you, for sure. But let me see here if there's anything else that I can think of. Here's their total supply. Here's the circulating supply. So they got about half of their supply out right now. So even if they were to put the rest out there in circulation, it wouldn't be it wouldn't hurt it too bad. Some of these tokens, it could have a billion in supply, and they'll only have like 50 million out there in the marketplace. That's you know if they just unloaded everything out there, it would really depreciate the value of the project, or the price itself. So that's another thing I always like to look at. They also have a pretty interesting team. Looks like a lot of knowledgeable people. So go over there and take a look at that. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'm pretty bullish on it. You can let me know what you think their pros and cons about the project is. Again, the name of the company is Dimitra, and it's only been out, I'd say, about a year and a half. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. Hope to hear from you guys.